In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new device in TeamViewer Remote. By the end, you'll know exactly how to register a remote computer to your device list so you can access it quickly whenever you need it. Before we begin, make sure you have two things from the remote machine: the TeamViewer ID and its password, and that you have permission to connect. It also helps to be signed into your TeamViewer account so the device is saved to your list and organized properly. Start by opening the TeamViewer app on your computer, give it a moment to load, and make sure you're in the modern interface. The layout can vary slightly by operating system, but the core options will be the same. If an update prompt appears, it's a good idea to update first, so the menus we reference match what you see. Once the app is open, look for the Devices section. You'll typically find it in the left sidebar or the main navigation. This is where all your saved computers and groups live. Opening devices first ensures the new machine is added in the right place and makes it easier to manage later. Next, click Add. This might appear as a button or a plus icon. Choosing Add starts the short workflow for registering a new machine to your list. When prompted, select Remote Device. This tells TeamViewer that the computer you're adding is another machine you want to reach from your current device, not the one you're currently using. You'll now see fields for basic details. Enter a clear device name that you'll recognize later, like a location and role. Then select a group to keep things organized. Groups are great for sorting by team, site, or function. Finally, enter the TeamViewer ID of the remote machine. This is the numeric ID displayed on that computer's TeamViewer window. Double-check the digits to avoid adding the wrong device. Next, enter the password associated with that TeamViewer ID. This is the one shown on the remote device's screen or provided by its owner. Be sure to type it carefully and keep it secure. Don't share it anywhere public. To finish, add a short description. This could include the machine's purpose, the user it supports, or any notes that will help you later. Then click Add. You should now see the new device appear in your chosen group inside Devices, ready for future remote sessions. That's it. You've added a new device in TeamViewer Remote. If anything looks different in your interface, it may be due to version differences, but the flow, devices, add, remote device, details, and add remains the same. Thanks for watching and happy remote managing.